Hi, and welcome to a DebtBook feature flash. Today, we're looking at how you can quickly and easily automate the long-term obligation disclosure for your ACFR using DebtBook. Because DebtBook provides you with a single source of truth for your data, and because all activity is tracked in the application, you can create your audit notes in literally a handful of clicks. First, via Create Notes, you have the option to select the fiscal year end and determine whether or not you'd like to use payment offset and actual reporting. Then, for confirmation, DebtBook clarifies which issuance occurred over the course of the fiscal year and gives you the option to note any additional debt issued or paid off. From there, you can download the notes to a formatted Excel report. This report consists of both a summary of debt outstanding by type report and detailed roll-forward tables by activity, fund, and purpose. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how DebtBook can help you simplify your reporting, visit debtbook.com.